Hi, my name is Tyler from Woodstock, Ontario. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada program sent me the MotoMaster wall mounting tire rack, and I have put it to the test by mounting it in my garage and storing my summer tires on it. One of the really nice features about this product was I noticed when I first went to pick it up, and it was the size of the packaging. It's very compact and you don't need a huge vehicle to pick up this tire rack. Now that I've had a chance to get this tire rack mounted on the wall, another great feature about it is the full adjustability of the brackets. You can see all the holes in the brackets, and that allows you to put the bars anywhere you need to fit any size tire, from 14-inch all the way up to the 20-inch rims that I have sitting on there with tires. This product is really well built, as I have 4 20-inch rims with tires on it mounted up on the wall, and I don't see any sagging in the brackets or movement in the product at all. Aesthetically, this product looks really nice mounted on the wall with the red painted brackets and the polished arms. It gives it a really good look in the garage. And the best feature of all is it gets my tires up off the garage floor, giving me more space to do my work. So far, I am really happy with this product. The feature I found most innovative about the MotoMaster wall mounting tire rack is the adjustability of the brackets, giving it full use of all tire sizes, and the fact that it gets the tires up off my floor onto my wall out of the way so I have more workspace in my garage. I would definitely recommend the MotoMaster wall mounting tire rack to my family and friends who have the need of storing extra tires. It really does help to clean up the garage, and with the high weight capacity, it is suitable for all tire sizes from the smallest car to a big truck.